Let me just... Hey cousin, let's go bowling. Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'm back up in the Bay Area. Holy shit, that Dino. Oh, that Camaro. Oh, this is gonna be a good day, let me tell you that. And a Cadillac Lyric. But yeah, we're back up in the Bay Area. We're near Pacifica right now. And a fucking Grand Nash. Yo, I haven't even done the intro yet and this video's packed. And a 300D. Okay, if I cannot get interrupted by a fucking classic, we are up in Pacifica for a car meet, actually. Look at this. You have an entire row, including something I'm going to be reviewing in another video. I'll link to that in the description. But yeah, we're up here at the Seabolt parking lot for a car meet held by the Gator Greasers Automotive Club.
The Challenger is so pretty.
Yep. This is the founder of the club's car, Gabe. It's a 5.7. I think it's a 2016.
It actually looks a lot like my neighbor's Challenger, except I kind of like my neighbor's better because it's got the shaker hood.
Oh my, they are really sick. This is like the Thug shaker hood. This is this is AJ. You might remember him from the last video with the Solara. This is Damien with the Mustang that we'll do another day. But yeah, 5.7, 3.7, but it still gets down. This is Marcus's Volvo. It's got got some bolt-ons, I think roughly 300-400 horsepower. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't done much looking into this one, but all I do know is it sounds really good. This is Asher's Del Sol. Just a little sneak peek for when we do the full review. You can see that it's risen back up on some springs. Oh, there's one in the IS250 F Sport. But yeah, he's got a bucket. He's got another normal one. I've driven it a little bit before. It's pretty nice, but once we do the actual full review, it's gonna be much better. And an S2000 passing right there. This is all over the place, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is Asher's Del Sol. It's actually really clean. And I'm glad that it's back on its normal ride height. The alignment is it looks jank, but I'm pretty sure this thing stops on a dime, especially with these brand new brakes. AJ Solara, you've seen this plenty before. However, you probably haven't seen some of the mods that have been done. It's probably under the hood, but there's probably a cat back over there. You got, I think it's I don't know if I've met the guy yet. What the, I don't know if you'll see that. Holy sh. Yeah, GT3. Oh my, I gotta get this. Dude, this is all, I'm sorry, this is such an unorganized video, but yo. Oh, so, I'm recording. I don't give a fuck, bro. Yo, look what just pulled up. Oh my god, another GT3. Another GT3 and a goddamn RX-8. This is really good. This dude just pulled up. I'm guessing he's just saw a bunch of people. It's a PDK. I'm not a PTS RS guy, so I don't know what color it is. The bronze wheels again, like the one on that GT3 Touring from the last meet.
So pretty.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I don't know if I've said, but you're Dylan, you're with Asher. That's Hudson, the vice president of the club, in the 370Z. I think it's an anniversary edition. But yeah, no, this thing is pretty. I looked stupid as fuck with this thing on, but trust me. This is the GLI, owned by Kevin, the president. Juan, who's there. Okay, let's continue. You got someone with an NB Miata. Actually, two people with an NB Miata. And they stalled, damn. Rip. You got a slammed RX-8, R3, I think. This thing is sick, yo.
It's clapped, Brian. Thank you, though. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Nah, it's tough. I was about to call this thing a Hondeezy, but I don't even have to. Even he knows it. I think it's a Sport, or maybe something like that. There's Marvin. These three dudes, I don't even know who they are low-key. They just pulled up. But I like the matching Millennium Jade. Oh, Eliminate. They might actually, yeah. GTI, STI, and Prelude. This is Sheen's car. I actually have Japanese class with them. It's a C43 AMG, about 400 horsepower, mild hybrid, or I think plug-in hybrid, I'm not sure. But these things get down. There's Jason's RCF. This thing is fucking mean. And the fact that he's in this club is absolutely insane. He's taken it racing at Lexus Performance Driving before. Matthew with the IPL, not Nismo, but the IPL G37. So it's like essentially the equivalent of a 370Z Nismo. Right next to a 370Z 40th anniversary with I think it's an exhaust, I'm not sure. But no, yeah, I respect this. I respect Matthew's IPL because this is probably one of the cleanest G's I've seen out there in a sea of G nasties, in a sea of takeover G35s and shit like that. This thing is clean as hell. Hudson's 370, I've gone over that. And this is Jason 2's. It's a Mercedes ML500, but like this dude is just taken everywhere. That's fucking crazy. Oh, and who can forget the ass man's one and only BMW 330i with a huge ass subwoofer in the back.
She said I need a new whip, yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it.
But no, yeah, I'm super proud of what the club is turning into. The past few meets have been crazy. Like, this is probably like 20 people, something like that. Yo, bro, this is meet is crazy. We've had this is like the second meet in a row where we've had a GT3. This is like the second meet in a row where we've had like 20 people and like at least 20 people, and we've had a GT3 show up for the second time. This thing's yeah. I'm about.
The fact that the dude owns the lot and he's got the GT3.
He owns the. Oh, yeah. Okay.
He owns his lot.
That makes sense, actually.
That's why he came up to us.
Okay, yeah. And the thing is, like, we just like, there's probably people driving down there. They probably see a bunch of cars. They're probably gonna park here anyway, so it's more content.
Exactly.
I'll get the walk around done on that soon.
Okay.
Yeah. Just imagine a GT3 owner just kicking us all out. No, the RS would have like flat fenders. It would have like a huge ass wing of like magnesium wheels. Yeah, no. I think it was like Sheen and his friends. I think.
How the fuck did he?
I know. He just pulls out. Literally comes out of nowhere. Oh, did he come from here or did he come from there? Bro just appeared.
I always see your car like I walk
down
that street.
No, yeah.
I forget what it's called.
Yeah.
The one by the soccer field, right?
Yeah. I basically got like a shot of going over every car like its owner, like including. Yeah. I went over like yours and Matthew's, Jason's, everyone's. Only thing I couldn't go over was these three because I don't know these guys.
The green ones?
Yeah.
That's Eddie. Want me to introduce you?
Eddie. Oh. I've not met these guys. The fuck.
Before it, where you can buy shit and just walk around, see cool stuff, and so whenever we're done here, I'm not.
They're just going over some announcement for the club. Basically, my boy Damien's a new officer.
If anyone wants business cards to hand out, just let me know. I have a bunch that I can give you. Yeah, we have more.
Oh shit. Alright, so I couldn't get the last part of the announcement because my fucking GoPro overheated. But basically, like, they're glad everyone came out. This is another really good turnout for our club, actually. Damien got appointed as a new officer.
Camera is even more compact.
The Insta360. Well, I'm not sponsored by them.
It's a go-to.
Oh, go-to. Yeah. Oh, fuck. But yeah, the owner of the lot actually owned that GT3, and he owns this place, which I guess it makes sense. But he said that we can actually come out here more often as long as we're good boys, which we will be, and we can like just have more meets here, which is actually really, really good news. So hopefully in the future I'll record more stuff from this Seabowl parking lot. Yo, oh my god, I had to check out this Mach 1 real quick. Holy shit. There's Damien, of course, geeking about it because he's a Mustang owner, but wow. The wooden interior is a flex.
I love those shakers.
Yeah, this thing sounds mean.
So cool.
Holy.
Gentlemen, I gotta go.
Okay, it's.
Glad I ran into you guys.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks a lot. Nice one.
Thanks for stopping by. Oh my god. I'm so glad I at least caught it last second.
Yeah. Let me see if I can get a video of it.
Nah, I'm getting it. There he goes. He's gonna come around. Oh, he's going up, never mind. I really hope the GoPro's catching that. Holy shit. Another little sneak peek at the Del Sol. Oh, come on.
Get out of here.
What, you're gatekeeping until the actual review?
Yeah. I'm gatekeeping what? A stock D-series engine?
No, I was thinking, you're gonna gatekeep it until we do the actual review of this thing? I've already walked around it. It looks nice, and it comes out good on camera, too. And I've gone around everything else, but yeah. Video silly, do not put this. Damn, he yanked that thing.
I have plans that I cannot share with you right now because the haters will sabotage me.
You want me to rev it?
Yeah, just press on the gas.
Fuck it. I'm supposed to be recording another video, but you know I can't give up the opportunity.
Yeah! My turn!
It sounds mean, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it sounds nice actually from the outside.
Yeah. You want me to get a video of you revving it?
Sure, why not?
Oh yeah, that's nice, bro. That is nice. We definitely gotta run it back because I already got the first video posted, but once I'll get a few more done, we can run it back. You know I had to get this. Goddamn RCF. I had to get this, bro. Just wait. Come on, bro. Come on, Jason. Jeez. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye. We're in an M sandwich right now.